Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We'll talk about the Zemismart Matter Zigbee M1 hub. This thing supports Zigbee, Thread, and Matter. Let's set this up and see if this is the only smart home you'll ever need for your smart home. Before anything else, just a disclaimer, Zemismart sent this hub along with this wireless switch for us to test them out. And as always, all opinions are mine. That said, let's break down what makes the Zemismart Matter Zigbee M1 hub so special. Like what I said earlier, it's fully compatible with the new Matter protocol. If you don't know what Matter is, in a nutshell, it's a smart home standard developed by the CSA. Matter enables smart home devices to work seamlessly across different ecosystems like Apple HomeKit, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and Samsung SmartThings without relying on the cloud for a more secure, fast, and reliable experience. What does that mean for you? It means you can connect any Zemismart, Tuya, SmartLife branded devices like this motion sensor, contact sensor, wireless and wired switches to any smart home platform of your choice. That means a wireless switch like this one, for example, that uses Zigbee can be connected to the hub and in turn can be used to those other platforms I mentioned earlier. See, in the past, I'm using these hubs that are compatible with the SmartLife app so that I can add Tuya devices to those third-party platforms. This is an older one that uses Zigbee and Bluetooth. So all Bluetooth and Zigbee Tuya devices connected to this hub can be controlled to Amazon A and Google Home with the help of the Smart Life app. The issue with this setup is that first, for me to control any Bluetooth and Zigbee devices, for example, through my Nest Hub or from my Echo Smart speakers, is I need to connect this Zigbee contact sensor to the hub using the Smart Life app, and then devices show up. But this only works if I'm using either with Alexa or Google Home, and only if I have internet connection. It doesn't work locally. That means it can be slow depending on your connection, and automation will not work without internet access. Now, what if I am using Apple Home or thinking of switching over, which I did? If you want to see the issues I run into, you can check this video right here. Going back, then this is where this other hub comes in. Same idea with the older one. Only difference is that this can only expose devices to all three smart home platforms if they are Zigbee devices. Unlike the older one, where you can connect Bluetooth devices as well. Good thing about this is that it works locally. So any automations you created within Apple Home, regardless if you have internet connection or whatnot, will still work. After having both of these hub for quite a while, I end up only using this Apple Home certified hub since the only advantage of this one is that this works with Bluetooth as well. Since I don't have any BLE devices, it's time to throw this away. Now, after comparing these two, where is the new Matter Zigbee M1 hub comes into play? This hub now lets you connect Thread devices and works across multiple smart home protocols, acting as a Zigbee hub, a Thread border router, and a Matter controller, making it more versatile than the ones I've used before. It ditches micro USB in favor of USB-C for power, and even has an Ethernet port for a stable wired connection. Setting it up in Apple Home is also pretty straightforward once everything is added via the Tuya app. But of course, it's not perfect. It doesn't come with a power adapter, just a USB-C to USB-A cable, so you'll need to provide your own. And while it does work with Apple Home, the setup requires an extra step. Everything has to go through the Tuya/SmartLife app first, which might be inconvenient for some. As for its Matter controller function, it only works within the Tuya ecosystem, meaning it won't act as a universal Matter controller for all devices across different platforms. And according to HomeKit News, which you can check his channel from the description, while the hub does support Thread and Matter, it won't expose Thread devices from other brands like the Onvis S4 Smart Plug to Apple Home, which is a bit of a letdown, and not all Zigbee devices are supported yet either. In my experience, all my Zigbee devices actually works. So is the Zemismart Matter Zigbee M1 hub worth it? If you're looking to unify your smart home devices, especially if you use a lot of Tuya, Shashi Smart Life device, and you wanting to add those devices to Apple Home or any platform, this new hub is one that I recommend. But if you don't use Apple Home and don't care about Thread devices, And if already have their older hubs, I don't suggest you getting this upgrade. Overall, it's a promising device that bridges the gap between different smart home ecosystems. I'd recommend it for anyone looking to future proof their smart home setup. Now it's your turn. Are you already using the Matter standard in your smart home? Or are you considering upgrading to a multi protocol hub like this one? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.